In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate multiple elements in Canva. This is a simple technique that can save you a lot of time, especially when you want to reuse a set of elements, like icons, shapes, text boxes, or images, while keeping their exact spacing and layout consistent. First, open your Canva project. Make sure you're on the page where the elements you want to duplicate are visible. Take a moment to look over the canvas so you know exactly which items you want to copy together. Next, click and drag to select them. Start your click on an empty area of the canvas, press and hold your mouse button, and draw a selection box that covers all the elements you want to include. As you drag, you'll see a marquee box forming. When you release the mouse, any element fully inside that box will be selected. You'll notice selection outlines or handles indicating what's included. If you accidentally catch something extra, like a background shape, simply click once outside the canvas to deselect, then try drawing a cleaner selection box that avoids it. If something doesn't light up with a selection outline, it likely wasn't inside the box. Redraw slightly wider to catch everything you need. Keep in mind that locked elements won't be included, so if something isn't selectable, check whether it's locked and adjust your selection area to avoid it. With your elements selected, copy them. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On Mac, press Command+C. Canva copies the entire selection as one unit, preserving the spacing and stacking order you already set up. This means you won't have to rebuild that arrangement. Now paste the copy. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On Mac, press Command+V. The duplicates will appear right on the canvas together, usually in the same area as the originals, often with a slight offset so you can see the new set clearly. They'll still be selected as a group, so you can immediately move them into place by dragging with your mouse. If you prefer precise placement, use your keyboard arrow keys to nudge the selection into the exact spot you want. Because the items remain grouped in the selection, everything moves together and stays perfectly aligned. That's all there is to it. Open your project, drag to select the elements you want, copy, and paste. It's fast, accurate, and ideal for repeating layouts, creating consistent sections, or testing variations without starting from scratch. Give it a try on your next design, and you'll see how much quicker your workflow becomes.